So hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how you can create a get route and get all the documents from the MongoDB. So for that actually we'll be creating one route by using app.get. Inside that I can specify the path, for example get all paths, get all blocks that we are actually getting, and I can specify the callback, and then after that actually we don't need anything from the request, so we'll not be grabbing that. We just need to add a try catch block, and then we'll be making an async query. First of all, I'll be grabbing the error in a try catch, and then I can send the error. Also, let me make this an async function, and for getting the result from the document, we actually need collection, which is our block collection, and for finding all the documents we need a find query. Find is the query which gets all the documents according to our query. For example, if you want all the blocks which has the particular name, so you can specify that. Or if you want a category related blocks, for example, if you want a category related block, for example technology, so you can get that as well. But right now I want all the blocks, so that's why I'll be using this one. Only empty brackets here. And then after that we have a data uh, array. Inside that we'll be storing all the documents, because result will not give you actually all the documents. It will give you the promise, and then that promise will get all the documents from the MongoDB in a one by one way manner. So we'll be actually adding an await inside this result and adding a for each method. So this for each method will actually asynchronously get all the documents which are there in that collection. So I can specify an arrow function, and then I can specify the data dot push method, and I can send all the documents inside this data. So what I did actually is I created an arrow function in which I grabbed the item which I'll be getting asynchronously. This is actually the document from the collection, and then we are actually pushing that inside this array, and then we'll be sending this array to the user back. So we can send by res.send and then the data. I can also console log that if I want. So I can console log the data. So this is it. I think everything is completed. Let's make a request from the postman. So let's save first. So I think it is saved. Let's I have already tested this route, get all blocks. If I click on this send button, then it will give me all the result. You see here we have the result coding tips, and if I see the console, there also I have this array which is our data array. Inside that our two documents are there. One, the first one which I created earlier, and the latest one which we created in the last video. So this is it, how you create get routes and find all the documents in this. For all the other queries, I have already created the MongoDB playlist, so you can do watch that. You'll get all the ideas. And for in the next video, we'll be working with Mongoose, and we'll be doing all this with Mongoose. So by creating a schema, we'll be doing that. So let's jump into the Mongoose in the next video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.